Good morning, guys. Welcome to Hankins Custom Rifles, Hank's Precision Gun Parts, and another episode of Hank's TV. Today is October the 11th, and we've been working on the pond project now for the last 2 days. We worked on it Thursday and Friday. It's now Saturday morning. We have made a tremendous amount of progress on this pond project, and I'm going to take you around here in a second, show you what we've got done. We're going to work on it again today and some tomorrow, and by that time I think we're going to be just about ready to start pushing dirt. We'll have all the trees grubbed out. We've been cutting and pushing and sawing trees and getting them out of here for the last 2 days. So I wanted to do some video yesterday and the day before, but we just got busy and the video camera never got brought out, but we got it out this morning. We're going to get a little action on it maybe for you today, and that's about it. So let's walk around here and I'll show you real quick what we got done. All right, guys, so here it is. We have got it grubbed out. Look at all that. It's grubbed all the way out, all the way up that hillside, all the way back to here, which is where all them sycamore trees grew up. We're going to grub those out today. That's the goal for today, is to get them sycamore trees out of there. And you can see the excavators down there. We left it down there last night. That's where we left off yesterday. We've got a big pile of brush down here to burn. We did some surveying with the transit yesterday. We got a pretty well established line of where the water's going to be. We got some orange. I call them orange. They're kind of orange. They're kind of pink. So whatever I decide to say at the time, we'll call them that. But there's some flags over there that kind of show where the water level is going to go. I'm sure you can't see them in the camera, but they're over there. You see that big red oak tree right there? Water's going to come up right to the base of that red oak tree. And there's a flag to the left and the right side of that tree where the water's going to be. And then it's going to go up in this holler some. So that's what we got today. And I'll try to show you all some more at the end of the day and see what we can get done. So we decided to set fire to this brush pile this morning. Go ahead and let that burn all day. It's green, it should burn, but there's a lot there to burn, so we're just going to let it burn all day. See what happens. Good morning, guys. It's Sunday, October the 12th, and about 9 o'clock in the morning. I come over today just to do a little bit of finishing up, just some touching up. I ain't going to do much today, just pick up some trash and clean up a little bit. But here's the view. I don't know how well you guys can see this, but I'm building the house up here on top of this hill one day. That's the plan. And that's here where I'm sitting right now, or standing, would practically almost be the back porch of the house. So I can sit on the back deck, hopefully, and overlook over the hill here and see this pond. So we're going to take a little walk and go down the hill and just take a look around and see what we've got. Okay, so for you guys that watched the original pond video that I put on back in like 2017, there's the original pond. You can see it up there. You can tell there's a big hole behind this pile of dirt. That was the original dam for the pond. Right over there is where we cut it to let the water out. And that pond was originally about 1 acre to maybe 1.5 acres. That's just guessing. And what I have done is pushed all these trees out that's back in behind it. And we're going to move the dam way down there, which you can't see it where I'm standing now, but I am standing at what I want to be the water level when it's full. So this here's the little orangish pink flags I've been putting around. I've got another one over there that you might be able to see. And we went all the way around the perimeter yesterday, marking them out. You can see one over there by that big oak tree. Now that oak tree will actually be in the water, but we're going to push some dirt up around it and make a little, like a peninsula or something out around that tree to keep the tree from getting too much water on it and killing it. But I want that tree to stay there. And then it's going to go way up in there. We tried pushing these sycamores out with the bulldozer, and all it did was pushed them over and broke them off and made it look bad. So I plucked every one of them out of the ground with the excavator, put them in a pile. Garrett moved them with the skid steer, and Adam, he just pushed around over in here with the bulldozer and cleaned off some of this other scrub that grew up over the years. So this is about the middle of the lake. So let's walk on back up this way and show you some more. These sycamore trees, they were a pain in the butt to get out. And we didn't get all of them, but we got most. There's still a few broke off here. So we're in the bottom of the pond right now. This here is the very bottom. If you look up on both sides, you can tell where the water level will be. And it's going to be about 25 feet deep at the deepest point. Still got a few stumps up there on that hill right there to get out. Root balls, I should say. I already got the stumps out of the ground and the trees are cut off, and we drugged them up yesterday. And right here's where the dam's going to go. We got a marker right there, a flag. And we put a string across this the other day. You might see that string on the ground. And we ran that string all the way across to the top where we wanted it. And we were able to measure it from the string to the ground was exactly 25 feet. So that's about how deep the water will be when the lake is full. So that's about it, guys. I'm going to try to get this brush pile fired up and get some more burning out of it. It's pretty green. It's not going to burn real good, but I'm going to burn what I can and just piddle around on it every other day or two. Come down, stir it up, poke around in it, and get it to burn. But I think this will conclude our video for the pond update this weekend. I want to thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thumbs up on the video if you would, and hit that notification bell. Until the next time, guys, we'll see you later.